Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Karishma's Classes. In this video I will going to explain you some examples of the 3 into 3 determinant matrix. How we can solve the examples of that 3 into 3 matrix. I will show you that in this video. In previous video I have explained you how we can solve the 2 into 2 matrix questions and how we can solve the 3 into 3 matrix questions. And in this video I will show you some examples, and then later we can go for the minus and cofactors of the determinant. So let's get started. First I will show you the example, 1 or 2 examples of this determinant. Later we can go for the minor and cofactor. First let's see this question. In previous video I showed you how we can solve this type of question. That is, first we'll minus this and we'll remove this rows and this column, and we are taking these terms. So let's get started. Here I will take A, and then multiply what we are getting is B, 0 and 0 and C, minus here I will take 0, and we are removing this column and we are removing this row. I am getting 0, 0, 1 and C, and plus 1, and then here what we are doing is we are removing this column and this row. 0B and 1 0 I am getting. Let's solve this. First we are taking here like this, and B multiplied by C, that will get BC, and 0 multiplied by 0 we are getting 0 only, then we are taking like this, and here we are getting all the terms 0. 0 multiplied by C, that is 0, minus 1 0, that is 0. Here we are getting total 0, and here what we are getting is 0 multiplied by 0, that is 0, minus B multiplied by 1, that is B. So what we got here, A multiplied by BC, that is ABC, and A multiplied by 0 will get 0, so we are not taking that term. Minus here we are getting total 0, and what you are getting is 1 multiplied by B, that is minus B. Okay, so in this what our answer, that is A, B, C minus B. This is the answer, because we can't go further in this equation, so this is our answer. Next, see the next example. This is the next example, that is x, y, z, then 1, 3, 3, 2, 4, 6. Let's solve this one. First let's take x, and we are removing this column and we are removing this row. What we are getting is 3, 3, 4 and 6. 3, 3, 4 and 6, minus y, remove this column, remove this row, then 1, 3, 2 and 6, plus z, remove this column, remove this row, 1, 3, 2 and 4 we are getting. Now let's solve this one. X, 3 6 18, 4 3 12, minus y, 1 6 6, minus 2 3 6, 6 multiplied by 6, that is 0, and here 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4, minus 2 3 6. Let's solve this. X, here 18 and this is 12. If we are reducing this both, what we are getting 6, minus y, and here we are getting 0, plus z, and here we are getting minus 2. Now let's multiply this. When we are getting 6x, minus here we are getting 0, plus z multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 2. Now let's remove this 0, and what we are getting is x, 6x minus 2. This is our answer of this question. Now let's see how we can find the minor and how we can find the cofactor. Now we'll see how we can find the minors and the cofactors of our determinant. So first let's see the minor. What is the minor value? First, for minor, what we are doing is we are this is a level. Okay, point out this. Then we are reducing this column and this row, and what we are getting is the answer is 822, 823, B, A32 and A33. Okay, like here we won't take a level, just we are taking 822, 823, A32 and A33. Okay, next what we are taking is for this A12, this is for A level. We are saying for A12 what we are taking, remove this column, remove this row, A21, 23, A31, A33. Next for A13 what we are getting is, we are removing this column, we are removing this row, 21, 22, 31, 32. Like this only we have to solve the minors. For if we are taking for A21, A31, or this row also, would we have to use the same method. Now let's see the cofactor. So what is the cofactor? Is cofactor that is like this. This is the column. So how with the cofactor that will be like -1, and here it will be 1 plus 1, that's equal to -1, and this will become 2. Okay, and mij, that means here it will come the minus, what we find the minor, its value will come here. We have to solve this like this. For every column we have to do this method, but there is one more twist in the question. What is the twist? If we are having the value here, positive value, like we are having 2, 4, 8, 6, 12 like this, then what we are doing is we will get the answer equal to positive answer. If here it is the odd numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9 like this numbers, then we'll get this answer negative. Okay, we are saying about this one, this I plus j. Okay, now what is the twist is here, this is mij. If this is minus, this answer that is in minus value, then what we'll do, if here it is minus and here this is minus, we'll get the answer positive. If here it is plus and here it is minus, then we'll get the answer minus. Okay, now let's see with the one example how we can solve this question. This is the question. Write the minus and the cofactors of each of the element of the determinant. Okay, first let's find the minor. If we're finding the minor first, what we'll get is we will remove this. We will remove this. This is for M11. What we'll get is 5. If we are saying for M12, remove this column, remove this row, we are getting the answer 2. If it's M21, remove this column, remove this row, what we are getting is 5. If it is M22, then remove this is M22, remove this column, remove this row, we are getting 3. Okay, here what we found, M20 for M21, this is M21, remove this row and remove this column, remove this row, remove this column, we are getting -1 here. Now if we are finding the cofactors, how will we find the cofactor? Like Cij, that's equal to, here it will be -1, here it will be 1 plus 1, that's equal to, here it is 5, here 1 plus 1 is 2, we are getting the positive number, and here it is also positive, we are getting an answer positive, that is 5. Now for C12, what we are getting, here there is -1, 1 plus 2, and here we have the answer 2. Now this is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So what we'll get is, we'll get here the answer -2, negative answer. Okay, now here it is 13, and 21, here it is equal to -1, here it is 1 plus 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, we are getting the 3, and here we have -1. This is -1, here we are also have the positive value, so we will get here the positive value, that is 1, because minus and here it is minus value, so minus and minus become plus. Now for C22, that's equal to -1, that is 2 plus 2, and here multiply with 3, so we will get here the positive value, that is will be 3. So like this we will find the minus in the cofactors. If we are having here the value positive, then our answer that will be positive. If we are having here the value negative, then our answer that will be negative. If here this minus that is negative and we are getting the cofactor also negative, it will become positive. Like this we will solve the questions related to minus and the cofactors. In the next video I will going to show you some examples of minus and cofactors, and as well as we will go to the next topic of the determinant chapter. Till then, be on my channel and see all the videos related to this determinant. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.